Mark Keus.
Oh, keep your name tag.
Never change names. So I made this from a piece of firewood. It was just like regular firewood. The neighbor cleaned his shed and wanted to get rid of some wood, so I took it all, like I'm dumb that way. And, you know, by the time I scraped the spiders and the moss and cleaned it all up, and I had it laying in the shop. And I was going to turn something out of it, but you know how a piece of firewood will crack from each end. The crack's in about 3 inches. So I took this piece of wood on the bandsaw. I know, I gave you a picture.
Oh, yes. Have you got a way for me to use an extra?
A couple months ago, it was mentioned, picture before and after type. But anyway, I took the piece, put one side of it on the jointer to straighten an edge, and then I sliced it up on the bandsaw, 5/8 slices. Got a whole bunch of slices, stacked them up on a cabinet while my heater was going. I have an overhead radiant heater, and you just left it for a week or two, and then flattened it up on the planer one side, or on the jointer, planed it to get it flat, and
What's the title of your pictures?
just the 3 pictures with just the camera number.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, got it.
There it is.
All right, there's my piece of wood from one end. The next picture. That's not me.
Are these the right pictures? There's a lot of pictures.
Yeah, those are, and then the one more. Right there. So I sliced the block up into little pieces, and then I wondered what to do with it. So I decided to make a box out of it. The finish is just a spray lacquer. What I did is I have a display like that at home too. So I took a piece of wood and I tried different finishes because I was trying to get the grain to pop a little bit, you know, like you do with a photo, you know, to kind of get some pop, and this is the best I could do.
So is that spalting of the wood, Mark?
No, it's beech, that's the actual wood. There is a bit of spalting in it, like here in the corners. But this is the regular grain. And it's just plain old wood, but you know, you have a piece of wood that long, both ends, 2 or 3 inches are all split, but in the middle there's still some usable wood. And that's what that's made out of. I got a Chinese hinge, special Chinese. I asked my daughter to bring home some hinges and some clasps. So she brings me a big, like she lives in China, she brought me a big bag full. Well, by the time I look at the bag, it's all clasps. So I got hundreds of these things, but no hinges.